Hey guys, I'm gonna make a set of tongs here. I've got a piece of scrap square stock. It's like half inch. And so what I did is it's 3 feet long. And so right at the 18-inch mark, I made a mark. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this thing and then I'm gonna bend it around this trailer hitch here, kind of as my jig. And then I'm gonna heat it up right in the middle, right through here, and then bend it over here. Okay, I've got these things somewhat roughly in the shape of some tongs. Lots of work left to do. But what I'm gonna do, you'll notice here, so one of the things that isn't gonna work is that, you know, my plan is to cut it right here and then this will act like a jaw, punch a hole through there, but you can see it won't move. It's locked in there because I pounded it together like that to kind of save its place, but I'm gonna go ahead and punch a hole through there and then go ahead and form it, bend it around accordingly. But what I'll have to do is I'm gonna actually take my grinder and I'm gonna cheat a little bit, take a handheld grinder and just grind this down. That way it's got a face to move. Yeah, I'm gonna drill it big enough to facilitate this nail. So I'm gonna use this for my joint there, and then I'll pound out heat it up and pound the outside off. But actually, just come straight down here. They are right now. I've got a functional set of tongs. They actually work really good. So you can see I had to grind some flats in there so it would move. right, I'm happy with the way these things turned out. They're functional, and they're gonna do the trick for what I need. Very happy with these.